What is up, you all? It's KingBritneyChanel, and you're on my SaeBritneyChanel channel. So previously on my Pantry Goal series, you have seen that the pantry has came, a long way, and I'm just showing you all what it looked like before. Okay, the walls needed work, painting, priming, sanding. The flooring needed to be put down. It was a whole lot going on, as well as light fixtures and lighting being put in the space. So I just wanted to show you all what I was dealing with when I first took on my pantry makeover and remodel project. I picked out that beautiful bare paint, and the color was fabulous, but I just knew that the walls were going to need to be sanded. As the electricians came in and put the lighting in, so much needed to be patched and all of that other good stuff. So before I get started with the video showing y'all the updates, definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your notification bell so that you're notified every time I do a video. And yeah, let's get into it. I hope you all enjoy my updates. Okay, you all, so as you can see, I'm just showing you all that the contractor is painting the walls. It is kind of dark because the chandelier has not been installed as of yet, but he's placing the tiles in the pattern that he wants to put down. And in this clip, you can see that the room is much brighter with the new chandelier installed. So it's really coming together. I'm really enjoying how the room is looking. The paint has been reapplied, holes and stuff have been patched up, and you can just see that the floor is going to be in this very beautiful pattern. So we have marble tile, and it's going to go, we're, still looking at the pattern, playing around here, but it's going to go in like a kind of like a stripe type of pattern. And I'm just showing you all that he's, putting the mortar on the floor and, spacers and everything, and preparing the floor for it to be put in. Y'all, it has came a long way from what it was looking like, y'all, in the first initial clip. Excuse me. I'm going to put the dangly pieces on my chandelier soon. I just don't want to mess with it until I change those light bulbs. But look at what we are working with so far. So he has the flooring put down, and what he's going to do is he has to come back in and grout everything, and everything has to be cleaned up. But it's looking good, you all. Let me know in the comment section if you all like the pattern that I decided to put in here. And I'm just showing you all everything that was done. In some areas there's still, paint drying and everything else like that. So it's really coming along good, you all. I'm really enjoying how the space is looking. So in this clip, I'm showing you all that the floor is finally kind of complete. I'm not going to say totally complete, semi-complete. And I'm just showing you all the shandy again. I love my shandy. And this is the floor. So this clip right here, you all, I'm kind of just showing you what I plan to put on my pantry shelves and what I bought. So the pantry is really coming along. I have all the baskets and the, OXO containers. So I'm going to be vlogging the whole pantry process. So if you enjoy home renovations, remodels, makeovers, make sure that you stay tuned to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video, and hit your notification bell so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So this was like the mini update to keep you guys, updated on what is going on with the pantry space. This project is still going forward. He's gonna come in, my contractor, he's gonna come back in, finish up the floors completely, come in with some skirting for the baseboards and stuff like that. and some other stuff. So I'm going to be vlogging this total process and total renovation makeover, and you guys are going to be along for the ride for this whole process. So see you soon on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all soon on the next video.